Oh, cute. Pause, 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 pause. Pause, 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 pause. Love that chair, don't you? Man, this cat loves to sleep in here. Pause, 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 pause. Keep warm in there, huh? Not even bloody cold today. Kitty likes to sleep. Okay, viewers, this thing's keeping track of time quite well. I plugged it in about 2 hours ago and she wound up and probably about a quarter of the time, so a quarter of it's one used overnight. It's about 14's 2, it's about 2:15, about 20 past on there. So this thing's running quite well, keep a track of time very accurately, so quite, it's quite a unique time switch, that's for sure. Alright, I just did some checking on these electrolytic capacitors, checked these resistors on this battery charger, and they seem to test okay. The capacitors checked out okay, the ESR was low. I'm only using a bloody ohm, relying on this. I need a proper ESR meter in order to check for sure that these are okay. But relying on this, according to this, what I got, these are okay, not shorted or open. I reckon this transformer could have an open winding. You see where it's all corroded there, so I might have to remove it from the circuit and give it some tests. So I get the soldering iron fired up and hopefully that's the main problem. Okay, viewers, I remove that small transformer from the circuit. Let's give it some tests. Multimeter out and do some continuity and ohms tests. So hopefully, if this is a problem, I'll have a replacement and it should fix the problem. Because I've replaced all those rectifier and everything. It's pretty much an open circuit now, so looks promising so far. Okay, viewers, I get my multimeter here, set the continuity. Just set the camera up as usual. I might just put this in front of the camera. Now on one side is our primary. There's 5 pins here are on the primary side and these are on the secondary side. So we'll test these 3 secondary side pins first. See what we get. Continuity between any combination, we'll see what happens. Get your finger and hold that down. That's a closed circuit, that one's good. The 2 outer ones together are okay. The middle one between any of the other ones, that's okay. Okay, that winding, secondary winding is intact. Now let's try the primary side. Okay, there are winding there and those first 2 pins are okay. Then there's next 2. Okay, we've got a circuit there. That winding's okay. That last pin. What a circuit, alright, let's ohm it. See if that's actually a decent resistance. .7 ohms. Okay, let's try the second and the third. Probe to stay on there. 0.6 ohms, that one now, and then the second and the last one. .6 ohms as well, so there's decent resistance and continuity between those pins. And then the resistance in this one. .7 ohms. Alright, these 2. .7 ohms as well. Alright. Seems to aim up okay. I'm going to try this one now. Just got the extra wires coming out of it. Probably for detection when I connect a battery or something like that. Anyway, let's give that a test. I soldered this back in circuit, it seemed to have tested alright. Okay, viewers, that little transformer's back in circuit. Now there's this transformer here only has 2 connections on the primary side, so that's your primary input there. The rest here, no electrical connection. They're just for mechanical secure the transformer on the board. Alright, I'll center those pins, make sure they're not touching the tracer around them, so I don't get any false readings. And I'll do some tests and see how that checks out. Okay, view, I've just got the probe positioned nice and snugly in there, touching that first pin. Now I can touch that second pin and see what reading we get. Alright. Hold that there. .8 ohms, so that tests okay. Still a continuity check. Yep, that transformer was okay. Oh, that transformer seems okay. Alright. Okay, something else has got open circuit in this side of the circuit then. Well, no, those transformers are okay. Wonder what it could be. Okay, viewers, let's just pop those old transistors that got out of that charger. One of the other popped components, so let's finish them off with NST. Okay, viewers, let's set this as this transistor. Doesn't like that. Yeah, it's gone. Check is out of effect there. There you go, check is out of. I can hold it still enough. Yeah, it's definitely shorted. The MOT's definitely king for popping components like that. Unplug safety first. Got another battery just getting topped up, so can't plug it in like I normally can. Alright, let's try a diode. Listen to that corona. There you go, diode's fried. Yeah, not enough current. Yeah, might definitely king. Need more current to burn that. That got hot. There you go. Burn the plastic casing. Alright, unplug safety first. Let's check that diode. Yep, that's a friode now. It fried. Alright, let's hook this up properly this time and see what result we get. sparks and arcs in one. A spark and an arc. I like a control spark. I just love this. This is just awesome. Hey, look at it. Just starts a spark. That sounded awesome. Viewers, that's enough for now, so unplug that safety first. There's obviously that still any charge, so it's safe to touch. You know, not too bad for temperature. It works quite well. I just love playing with these things. And that'd be enough for now, so thanks for watching.